Guys, welcome back to the Let's Code, and in this lecture we are going to cover the text elements of the HTML. So let's start our third coding file. So I will name it as lecture 3 underscore, and in the underscore I will define text elements. So that is the name, and here is the file extension. In last lecture I showed you how to manually create HTML structure, but right now in this lecture I will show you how you can automatically ask the VS Code to create it for you. So let's click shift and this symbol, only one symbol is needed, and now I'm going to press enter. You can see the whole text or the whole structure is generated for us automatically. And this meta tag defines the viewport. Viewport is the part of the screen that we see, and it's like the device width, and its scale is 1. I will tell you about it in the next lecture with a very brief intro about it, but for right now it's too advanced for you to understand. So once we have the CSS, I will explain this whole part to you, what does it mean. But for now we are only focused on the HTML tags, or you can say the elements that helps us to write the text inside the HTML file. So let's go to our file location, and here is our third file, and I'm going to open it. So you can see it's the document because it's the document inside the title. Now I will show you the heading elements of the HTML text. So the first element we saw in the last lecture as well, and in this lecture I will also show you what it is doing. So I will write hello, and let's come here. You can see hello, it's the biggest heading. Now I will move towards the smaller headings. So h2 is smaller than h1, and I will come back and I will rerun. You can see it's smaller. Now I will go for h3 hello, and now here is the h3 h4 4, yeah, and here is also hello. Here is, and even smaller is h5. Oh, hello. Okay, now here refresh, and now the smallest heading is h6. I'm going to refresh it, and here you can see these are the tags that we use for the heading. It's up to you which heading you want to give. So it's our heading part, and now I will show you how to write a paragraph. P tag is used for the paragraph. I can also mention it here inside the comments. These are the comments. Comments are mostly used to define some ideas or some explanation about the code. So here I'm going to write these are heading tags, and now I will copy this, come here, how paragraphs are written in HTML. So here, and now we can type any text, but I will ask the VS Code to generate random text for me with 34 words. Just write this text and then press enter. The last 43 numbers mean that 43 words. We are asking it to generate approximately 43 words. You can ask it anything, but right now I'm just trying to show you what the p tag is doing. So I generated the dummy text, and let's go back to our browser, and here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see the dummy text with 34 words. So that was the tags we have in the HTML. Then there is another tag that is called spam. Spam is not a text tag, it's more like inline tag. And what is inline tag I will explain you in the CSS, but I just want to show you what it will do for you. So here is it. You can also write the text in it and sometimes the links. So that's it, I think, for today. And in the next lecture we are actually going to do something very good or very big, that is the multimedia elements. I can show you the free sites. You can download the videos, audios and images from there and you can use them, and I will show you how to use them inside your HTML file. So be there with the Let's Code for the next lecture.